In this video, I will show you how to optimize your Google Ads campaign properly so that you can remove the irrelevant search terms from the relevant ones. So right now, if you can see my screen, you can see I am on the campaign level, and I'll be clicking the ad groups. And this is the campaign for one of my roofing campaigns, right? And I'll be clicking one of the ad groups, and in the ad groups I could see I have two keywords in here, right? And what I'll be doing is to go into the search terms. So in these search terms, I'll be able to remove the irrelevant keywords from the ones that are more relevant to my campaign. So just looking at these search terms, I'll be able to click one of the search terms that is not relevant. The first one is roof store. So I'll be clicking the roof store, and I'll be adding it as negatives. And instead of adding it in the ad group level, I'll be adding it in the campaign level, and I'll hit the save button. And that is how to remove all these irrelevant keywords. If you find this information very helpful, you can feel free to like this post and also subscribe to my channel.